Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of the rarest cars that Studebaker made, and most people don't even know what it is. Just wait till we tell you more details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars, everything from street rods, muscle cars, resto mods, and classics, all under one roof. You can look at all of our inventory at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. But today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition, a 1963 Studebaker Avanti. Now, most people don't even know what that is, who Studebaker, whatever. Well, us old guys, we all know Studebaker was kind of ahead of its game with this one. Probably was part of the demise of Studebaker in the long run because they put all this money into this car, and it's a fiberglass car. They were trying to be in competition with the Corvette at the time. And I'll tell you what, when you take a look at this car and its performance, there were several options that would really make this car fast. Now, this particular one has some really neat stuff. You want to watch the entire video from start to finish, the walk around, engine startup, and whatever, because it'll give you more information about this car when you take a look at that. But this car came with a 289 V8 4-barrel power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and probably the thing that was the most intriguing to us, a 4-speed manual transmission. They made a grand total of 91 of these cars with those options. You want to talk about a rare piece of automotive history right here on our sales floor. Look at this one right here. Those are the correct hubcaps for a 1963. A lot of people like the round headlights in the 63s. The square ones were in 1964. Fewer of those were made, but the round seems to just have a little more appeal for a lot of folks. And like I said, it's got the V8 motor in it, new paint on this car, so you really have some nice features. Radial tires, probably one of the biggest improvements of any of these old cars that you could ever have in the day. You can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. So give us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe. We always have interesting stories on cars we've had in the past, more story about this one, and everything else that you can imagine. You know, it's kind of fun to read some of that or watch some of that stuff. But yeah, I'm taking a look at the inside. Studebaker was really ahead of their time. They have all full instrumentation, no idiot lights in this car. They got gauges, they have a tachometer, they got oil pressure, they've got vacuum gauge, and this one, as I even mentioned, has air conditioning. Bucket seats, of course. This is more of an original interior in this car in very, very nice shape. The dash pad is really good. Dual exhaust. Oh, this one's got the dual mirrors as well. So yeah, this is really a spectacular car. A lot of people, again, don't know what Avantis are, but I'll tell you what, this is really a nice, stellar example, and it really is a hoot to drive with that 4-speed. That's the only one I've ever had here on our inventory. Plus, we do have another one too. You can take a look at that too, an R2. Well, take a look. Good reason to look at those YouTube videos. So anyway, you can come down and take a look at this in person if you'd like. We'd love to have you come down. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5. We're open Saturdays as well, 10 to 4.